Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn all about liquidity management at Token Labs. Whether you want to add liquidity to a new token, manage an existing pool, or burn liquidity pool tokens. We are going to do everything in a super simple way. Before we start, let's understand what liquidity is. In simple terms, it is what allows users to buy or sell tokens, as the token is backed by another currency that has a value equal to or comparable to the dollar. At Token Labs, we have made managing liquidity as simple as clicking a mouse. Everything is integrated with the network's reference DEX. In the case of IOTA, it is Magic C. Let's see how to add liquidity, step by step. We go to the token liquidity section and then click on ADD liquidity. We select our token. We decide with which token we are going to back it. Either with the network's native token, with USDT or USDT, since these are the closest to the dollar representation, as we said, to provide liquidity, and how much of it we want to contribute. If the pool is not yet created, we will see a preview of the price it will have on the DEX. We can select if we want to burn the LP tokens from the start or decide what to do later. And that's it. We click on ADD liquidity and the system will automatically create the liquidity pool. An important tip is to ensure you have a sufficient balance, both of the native token and the token to which we want to add liquidity. Now with the pool already created, we go to the token liquidity section and click on Manage Liquidity. Here we will see the liquidity pairs or liquidity pools that we have created. We click on one of them. And we can see our LP token balance. Now we have two options, remove liquidity and burn tokens. By removing liquidity, we will exchange our LP tokens for the token of the created pair. Be very careful with this tool. If you remove liquidity from your token, you can lose credibility and seriousness in your project. Now let's see how to burn tokens. A common practice to build trust is to burn LP tokens. In Token Labs, this is very simple. We go to the Burn Token section. We select the amount we want to burn and confirm the transaction. In this case, we set it to maximum and press the button. Burn token. We accept the transaction and wait for it to be confirmed. And that's it, we have burned our LP tokens. Once these tokens are burned, they cannot be recovered. And it's a sign of commitment to the project, as liquidity cannot be withdrawn by doing a rook pool. And that's how easy it is to manage your token's liquidity with Token Labs. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe so you don't miss our educational videos.